Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your steak more tender. We will explore several straightforward methods to transform even tougher cuts into a delightful meal. You'll learn about the importance of preparation, cooking temperature, and resting time. By following these easy steps, you can consistently achieve perfectly tender and juicy steak, impressing everyone at your next dinner gathering. Let's dive right in. Before cooking, proper preparation is key to tenderness. First, consider using a meat mallet to gently pound your steak, which physically breaks down tough fibers. Next, marinating with acidic ingredients like vinegar or citrus juice for at least 30 minutes helps to chemically tenderize the meat. Finally, salting your steak about 1 hour before cooking draws moisture to the surface, creating a better sear and more tender result. The way you cook your steak significantly impacts its tenderness. Begin by searing your steak over high heat for 1 to 2 minutes per side to develop a delicious crust. Then, reduce the heat or transfer it to a lower temperature oven to finish cooking evenly. Aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare, ensuring a juicy and tender bite every time. After cooking, the final steps are crucial for maximum tenderness. Always rest your steak for at least 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. When you do slice, cut against the grain to shorten the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Serve your perfectly rested and sliced steak immediately to savor its full flavor and melt in your mouth texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.